Okay, let's see what's in it. Whoa. What is it? Oh, good ripping.
Say ripping.
What's inside from Auntie Noreen? What is it?
Pull it out, Bruce.
That's it. You hold it and we'll pull. That's the right way. You hold it. You hold the white part. And we'll pull. And pull it. That's it. Whoa, what is it?
I take it off.
Yes, good.
Am I opening it?
You want some help?
Yes.
Okay.
What does it have?
What is it? Is it a present?
It's a present. No present.
It's not a present?
No.
What is it?
Okay. Oh.
Oh! How wonderful! Nice job! What is it?
A present.
A present. Thank you, Auntie Noreen and Uncle Bill. Can you say thank you, Auntie Noreen and Uncle Bill?
Thank you, Bill.
Let's see. Can you play it?
Okay.
You play it. Not in your mouth. That's it. Yay!
Oh, real.
Yeah. They're bells.
There are little bells.
Yeah. Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.